everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be here today because I have a totally brand new video for you. So today basically I will be going over my winter-fall clothing haul. So this is my very first clothing haul, so don't like try to roast me if it's like, you know, like I'm getting there. But this will be my second fashion haul overall. So, you know, I'm trying to do a little something. But so today I just have some pieces that I just really want to share with you that I find appropriate for the fall time. You feel me? So stick with me and I'll be back with more. Okay guys, so to start this video off, I just want to go over some size things real quick. Basically, size wise for pants or skirts, or just like, you know, bottoms, I typically wear like a 14 to 16 like bottom size. And then for shirts, you know, depending on how they made and all that, you feel me, you know, sometimes I can wear a medium, but most of the times I wear a large and extra large just so I can feel comfortable. You know, some days, you know, I like a little hug to my body, and then other days I'm just like, ooh, I just want something loose. So yeah, so basically I guess I'm just gonna start off with most of the bottoms first, and I'll be putting up pictures, you know, so y'all can see what they look like on me. I only have a couple of outfits that I took pictures of that I thought was the best, so you feel me. That's what I'm just gonna start off with. Okay, so first things first, on the realest. Okay, so first things first, I want to start off with this skirt I got. This skirt is a size 14. Cute. It has like a real velvety type of feel to it. Like the texture is there, y'all. One of my favorite things about this whole entire skirt is the fact that it just has this simple little button zip thing right here, the little circle thing right here. I think it's really cute, like when it's like on you, that it's just like a, you know, like a little classy touch. So I'm really feeling it. It has 2 back pockets, which is amazing because a lot of times skirts don't be having the pockets, and I'd be like, I'm supposed to put my stuff though. So I'm really glad that this has 2 back pockets. Now the way that this fits, is a little, you know, they gotta work some black girl magic on it. I feel like in general this is a hugging skirt, so it's, you know, it's hugging, you know, the stomach area. And for my thick, beautiful, bodacious, big, plus-sized girls, this skirt might be an issue. Okay, so, you know, honestly, I feel like I could have went a size up with this skirt. This is a size 14. Honestly, I feel like I would be more comfortable in a 16. But we gonna make this 14 work. So, you know, naturally I think this is a skirt that is a little bit more high-waisted. But if you have like a little bit of like, you know, like a little tummy, you know, like a little pouch or whatever, you know, it's gonna come up just a little bit higher. So usually when I wear this skirt, like, you know, I'm wearing like a sweater, but it's tied up, just so you can see the fact that this is a skirt, a high-waisted skirt. So that's typically how I wear mine, you know. I wear it like kind of up on my stomach, you know, because it gotta get it in there, you know what I'm saying. So for this particular skirt, I would go like 2 sizes up, you know, just to be more comfortable, so there's not so much tightness around my belly. And so that's a mistake that I made, so I'm just gonna have to buy another skirt and you know, just see what's happening with it. So that's the first bottom I really want to go over with. I just think this skirt is just so cute. Like, I don't typically wear skirts, but this one right here got, you know, it shows off like a little hip, like a hip dip. Hey, I also would say that when it starts to get like a little bit colder, you feel me, don't hesitate to put like some thin tights up under there, or like some sheer type of stocking kind of thing, because, you know, with the weather wherever you're at, I know in Florida it's usually just humid and rainy for the fall season, but the temperature's been dipping, so, you know, just slip on, you know, like some stockings or some tights under there, and you'll be good for when it gets colder. So second on my list, dang, these are inside out though. Next on my list is just a pair of plain jeans. Now I think this size is, this is actually a size 15. So like I say, like usually like on a clothing span of things, like usually like I honestly say 14 to 17 is like where I lay at when it comes to bottoms, and it just all depends on how it fits, cuz. So you know, just some regular blue jeans. I like these because you can wear these with literally any outfit. Like, so you know, I really like these. These are actually a little big on me, like I always have to wear a belt with these. But you know, you can never go wrong when it's fall time or winter time with just a regular pair of jeans, because I mean, it's cold outside, cuz. So I'm going to go on to tops. So like I say, for tops, like I usually just go with like, you know, a large or extra large. If I feel like I wanted to kind of, you know, hug my body some more, I'll go with like a medium, but that's it. So for this top, I'm gonna start off with this sweater that I really love because it's really soft. Yeah, this is a sweater from JCPenney's. It's just like a regular long sleeve v-neck, you know, like a cozy sweater. Like this one does kind of, like, you can see like that little curve, so like it kind of hugs into the body like for like a nice shape. So usually like I would wear this sweater with this previous skirt I just showed you guys, but you know, like, you know, interchange. Like, you know, it's winter time. Like really, this is the perfect time of the season to just go ahead and be creative with like any type of clothes that you want to put together, because you know, I like to show out a little bit during winter time. You feel me? So I like this sweater. I'm not a sweater person. Like I'm a layer person. I'm gonna layer my clothes before I just say, okay, throw me a thick behind sweater, because if I ever get too hot, I'm gonna be like, bro, I'm too hot, and then I won't be able to take it off. But I mean, if it's like actually really cold outside, you know, I would wear a sweater like this. So yeah, it's just cream colored v-neck, simple. Like really this year, like I used to try to be so complicated when it came to winter clothing and fashion, but look, sometimes you just gotta keep it simple, stupid. So that's what I'm doing this year, really. Like I'm not going too fancy or anything, but I am starting to wear more hats, like more winter hats. So I might make a separate video on like what winter hats I like to wear, because I feel like just a cute little winter hat is just like, yes! Moving on. Okay, so this particular top came with a set, and you might recognize this particular top from my last fashion haul video, which is like, you know, like a back to school kind of fall video, but now it's like really like the temperature is dropping. So you know, I just want to show this out one more time just cuz. So this, I know y'all have seen this before in my other fashion haul video. This has the perfect pair of bottoms to it. This is a stretchy material, so it's really good. Like if you have like some bumps and curves, girl, snatched in this outfit. Like this two-piece set is like, it's there. Like I don't like to wear sets. I just like to try to, you know, get it together. But this one, I love color maroon, but then you know it has the white on the side, duh, right here, and you know, so does the pants, and it keeps you warm. Actually, like it feels like a thin material, but to me, like it actually, you know, like it keeps you warm, you know what I'm saying? So but I was still like, honestly, like I'll just grab a hat like this, you know what I'm saying, just something simple, and I'll just put it on with this, and then bam, I have my outfit. Like, you know, like I said, I'm trying to keep it simple, but I want to be stylish. So you know, I think I will try some more like sets like this, like, you know, like a hoodie tight set. But yeah, and for the leggings, they're just the same, that nice stretchy texture, like they really like make your booty like, you feel me? So you know, I love this set. I just want like a black, like an all black in this. And this set that I'm talking about, I got for like $12, I think 12 even. I got this from Rainbow. Rainbow is kind of becoming my new store, because not only are they versatile with their sizes, but like for urban wear, like that is like rainbow is like my go-to, you feel me? So you know, I'm trying to step up my game a little bit. Okay guys, so for this next top that I want to show y'all, this is just a simple bomber jacket that I have from City Streets. This is a extra large, and so it's just a cute maroon color. Like I really like bomber jackets right now. Simple. The cloth bottoms on this are like really just like, you know, like cozy. And then I just want y'all to see it really good. Like this fits really nice. Like it doesn't have that much stretch as you would probably want, but you know, it's just pretty fitting. Like it fits you like just straight up. So I have another one that's basically the same thing but just blue and white. This one's like a little bit more silky-ish. Like the texture is really kind of like thinner, I would say. And also this one is featuring stripes from the same company. So I really like this one too. But if I had to pick one for fall season, I would definitely pick maroon. One more top to go over, actually two more tops to go over. So one more top that I do want to go over is this extra large kind of just sweater thingy. I will say that it's not like a sweater you would wear like with pants, because it is an oversized sweater. But the size that I got, I would honestly just go a size up. Like this is an extra large, and it comes down to about half of my thigh. So for the public's sake, because the world ain't ready for all that, I would definitely go probably a size up from your usual size with a sweater like this. Like it's supposed to cover your bottom, and there's like a longer piece in the back that covers most of your bottom. But for the front sake, I would definitely get a larger size. This piece right here is actually from Walmart. Walmart actually has a lot of good fall stuff, y'all, that is for the low low. So I would definitely suggest hitting up Walmart and shopping there. So yeah, so for right now I only have one more piece for y'all, and this is my favorite. Okay guys, and for the last piece I have this really nice Kodak jacket that I got from H&M. Now what I love about this jacket is that it's all white. Straight up, it is all white. It has the huge Kodak logo on the back. So really, when I'm just like want to flex and just want to look good and just want to have like a swag, like I'm definitely putting this on. Like the collar around your neck is really cozy. Like I said, that all white just took me over the top with it, and plus the colorful Kodak logo. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did. I love showing off the new clothes that I get. You know, I thought it would just be nice to do like a fashion fall haul winter video. So if you like the pieces that I have, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down what you're wearing for this fall season. This is really the end of the video. I have more clothes, but I just want to start small, you know, with this whole fashion haul thingy-mabobber. But yeah, so if I find any more cool items or cool clothes, I will definitely let y'all know. And so I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.